दिसांनी आमी 2 दीस पयला की कंटिन्युअसली सद्या वारे चल्लेले आसा की मेन विशय म्हणजे मायग्रंट्साचो. काल आमी पळयला झेवियर कॉलेजीन एक प्रोग्राम इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज जाल्लो बाय द नेम ऑफ इस्टर म्हणून आनी झारखंडाचे सगळे लोक येयलेले. प्रिमायसीस जे आसले कॉलेजीचे सगळे टायट आसले, फूल स्विंग म्युजीक पार्टी, ट्रान्स पार्टी. ह्या हेचेर कितें म्हणूंक सोदता तुमी?
पयले स्वातेन हांव हेजेर म्हाका आजुनूय फूल डिटेल्स येवंक ना. आय हॅव ऑलरेडी कॉल्ड द रिस्पेक्टेड authorities from the institute to find out what is the reason behind what the entire event was about. तशेंच आमकां दिसपाक आयलें की they all of them have come down and had continued the event at the Mapsa bus stand. I condone this entire activity that has taken place. We have raised this issue with the respected authorities and they have also assured us stern action on the same. I have also taken up with the Mapsa police as well as excise as well as the Kadamba Transport Corporation. So with regards to all three departments, see, when somebody goes to an event or somebody goes to a wine shop and buys certain items, it is his duty to go home and have it. Also, it is the duty of the vendor to make sure that people don't आपल्या दुकानासमोर उभे राहून ते consume करचे नाही. The same way when we go to a market or we go to a supermarket or any shop, we don't go outside the shop and start cooking the items or start eating the items that we have consumed unless it is a Tetra Pak or something. Those items are consumed better. So it is a role of all of us. I have also initiated strict action to ensure that this thing does not repeat.
सर म्हापसा वाठारामध्ये आता जास्त प्रमाणात जे मायग्रंट आउटसायडच येयलेले आसा, आता हेचेर कंट्रोल कशा तरेन दवरपाचो? कोणाचें एक्झॅक्ट काम ही आता?
See, there is no rule as such to control who comes in, who comes out, who comes and who does not come. These people come through the railway system, these people come through the flights, these people come by transport, meaning through buses. Mapsa being the first center, as soon as you cross the border, सगळे लोक म्हापशात देवतात. All tourists also come. With that, all different types of people come. See, this India is a free country. We can go and roam around the entire country wherever we want, whenever we want. There is no rule that states that who can enter Goa, who cannot enter Goa. I think there is no such rule to curb the migrants. They come for whatever reasons, whether it is work or sometimes leisure, or they come for some time short. तेंच्या गांवान खंय तरी ऑफ सिजन आसता म्हणून ते काम सोदपा खातीर गोंया भितर येता. सी, गोवा इज कन्सिडर्ड वन ऑफ द टॉप प्लेसेस टू वर्क फॉर दीस कायंड ऑफ पीपल. So of course they enjoy various benefits that are there in this state. So that is the reason they come. Now what the government wants to do with regards to this, we will have to find out. It is not only a problem that I am facing in Mapsa. म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर हो विशय जावन आसा. And what the government intends to do, we'll have to figure out.